Hello, Shadow Crafters. I get this little haul from AliExpress the other day, but I didn't get home until today, so let's get to it. Let's see what they actually sent me. Now this came from, I guess, China, and it went to customs twice, and it went to Tennessee. Why? I don't know. Let me see what we got here. Oh! Yeah, this batch that I have here, I ordered last. But for some strange reason it came first. I don't know why. Yeah, so now I get to make pendants of the horoscope for people now. This is cool. Let's find out what this one is. Which it uses. Yeah, we stuck this. Oh my god. Sorry about all that noise, guys. Oh yeah, this is the shaker mold. But I didn't get anything else with it. So that means my work for this will be so delayed. I don't even know what that is. It's a little moon. Heart. I think that's a bear. Star. Pocket watch. Strawberry. Watermelon. Kitty. I like the watermelon and the strawberry. I don't know what this is. A porcupine? A perfume bottle? And ice cream. That's pretty cool. Yeah, now I have to buy extras so that they can actually be shakers. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and buy me a coffee once in a while. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaste.